Hey Kitty, can you read me a story, please?
I'm all set to read the story. Are you ready? Hello friends, how are you all? Today I have a moral story for you. It is called The Greedy Dog. Friends, do you know what the word greedy means? It means you feel like you want more than you need. Is that a good feeling? Let's read the story and find out. The Greedy Dog, a story by Aesop, retold by Alex Frith and beautifully illustrated by Francesca Di Chiara. Shall we begin? And don't forget to read with me. Dog was always hungry. One day he trotted to the market. He spotted a bone. Look at that bone, dog barked. I want it. No one was looking. Greedy dog grabbed the bone. Then he ran away.
Hey!
He ran and ran. I'm so clever. Soon he came to a river. Dog looked into the water. He saw another dog. That dog has a bigger bone. He thought, I want it. He growled at the dog in the water. The dog in the water growled back. He barked at the dog in the water. The bone fell out of his mouth. Splash! The other dog vanished. Oh no! Barked dog. Now I have no bone at all. There was no dog in the water. It was Greedy Dog's reflection all along. I'm so silly. The end. Now tell me, friends, is being greedy good? See, the greedy dog lost the bone which he already had just because he wanted more and more. So, don't be greedy. Sometimes we all feel greedy when we see more chocolates or ice cream or toys in a toy shop. But we must ask ourselves, do I really want more? Am I being little greedy? Then you will be able to take the right choice. Will you do that next time? Hope you enjoyed the story. Bye. See you next time with another story.